Hi. Okay, this is finally working now. Okay, I just had many weird technical errors with my microphone. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to talk with you about what your final project for social studies and writing is going to look like. I'm going to just talk you through the aspects and the elements of the project and what the timeline is so that you understand the project. The I think the hardest part, well, there'll be two parts that I think are the most maybe time consuming aspects, and one of them you've started, which is the writing. So let me share my screen with you real quick. Share so that you can see. This is going to be attached to your assignment of what the project overview will be. So the first thing is what you're working on, the website article. You do not actually need to create a website. If we were at school and we had more time and we had Miss Bowen's support, we could. There are ways to create free websites. You are more than welcome to do it. If creating a website is something you enjoy, go ahead and do it, but it is not a requirement. All you need to do is write an article that would look like it would go on a website, like an educational website, like the ones I showed you. It is not required to create one, but you can. It's not required to put in pictures and captions. The only thing that I'm sort of requiring that's like, sort of jazzy is those interesting subtopic headings, the way that I showed you how I did mine. So that's the first thing. The second thing is a recorded presentation. So you're going to do what I do every day. You are going to record yourself teaching your peers about your topic. So you can screen share your sources, you can screen share your article, you can screen share pictures, any other interesting information you found on the internet, any way that you would want to record yourself talking about it. So here's the thing, there's a lot of freedom and choice in this. If this sounds super fun to you, if you are a performer at heart and this sounds really great, then you're going to want to go all out. You're going to want to have maybe a whiteboard where you're writing things down on and you're really recording a lesson. If you're one of the people who like wants to keep your face hidden on Zoom and doesn't want anything to do with like being recorded by and having your peers see you on the camera screen, and that makes you feel super self-conscious, I have created an option for you where you can just record over a PowerPoint. I'm just saying PowerPoint in general. It could be anything. I don't care. I know there's a ton of other ways in which to do PowerPoints. You could just record yourself over the screen talking about what's on the screen. I suppose technically you could just start your presentation as a screen share and show your sources and just talk over them. So you don't have to show yourself if you'd prefer to be recording yourself talking over a PowerPoint or over a screen share. That's fine with me. So that's the next thing. So first thing is creating this website article. The next thing is a recorded presentation. And then finally, you need to have questions, a question sheet that's modeled after the kinds of questions I ask you. They should ask your peers to make connections and explain their answers with evidence from both your writing. So this is what they're going to read, your website article, and from your lecture. And there should be between 3 and 5 questions. So that's what you're going to do, is you're basically going to do what I do, but you're going to teach everybody about your topic. The writing is due Sunday, May 31st. So one part of the writing is due this Sunday. Then the whole piece of writing is due next Sunday. And then the project is due Sunday, June 7th. And then the lessons will be shared that week. You will go and watch 2 of your peers' lessons. I'll be posting them in Google Classroom, so you'll have a choice of whose lessons you watch, and then you'll submit the answers to the questions from the lessons to me. So you'll get a chance to choose whose lessons you watch. So that's it. That's the project. This will be a writing grade and a social studies grade. Yeah. I guess I've pretty much covered it. I don't have anything else to say. So I think it'll be fun. I think to, enjoy it. Yeah, I'm sure there'll be lots of questions in Google Class or office hours about it. So feel free to ask those questions. For now, you should be focusing on the writing piece. And that is all. And I will see you soon.